Hi children, this is your Kalpana teacher. Children, in this video we are going to learn about loudness and quality. If we strike a school bell lightly, we hear a soft sound. If we hit the same bell hard, we hear a loud sound. Can you guess the reason for this change? The reason for this change in intensity of sound is due to the another characteristics of sound called loudness. Loudness of sound is defined as the degree of the sensation produced on the ear. The loudness or softness of a sound is determined basically by its amplitude. In the previous video you observed pitch is depend on the frequency. Here loudness is determined by its amplitude. The amplitude of the sound wave depends on the force with which the objects are made to vibrate. Children, observe this figure. In this figure 10A and 10B, the variation of wave disturbance with time is shown as graph for two sounds with different amplitudes. The amplitude of the sound wave in 10A is greater than the amplitude of the sound wave in figure 10B. So the graph in figure 10A represents louder sound and the graph in figure 10B represents a soft sound. Observe here, the loudness of the sound is measured in decibels. Children, remember important thing, the loudness of sound is measured in decibels. It signifies the sound pressure level. Human ears pick up sounds from 10 decibels to 180 decibels. The loudness of sound is considered normal if it is between 50 decibels to 60 decibels. A normal human being can tolerate loudness of 80 decibels. The sound above 80 decibels is painful and causes various health problems. The decibel level of a jet engine taking off is 120 decibels. Therefore, people working near the airbase need to protect their ears by using earplugs. Otherwise, it may lead to hearing loss. Listening to very loud music through earphones of MP3 player or mobile phones also leads to hearing loss because loudness of sound means high energy is delivered to our ears. Hence, we should be very careful when listening to music through earphones. Children, now we can discuss about quality. You might have noticed different sounds produced by different instruments such as violin, piano, flute, etc. To distinguish between two sounds, we need to learn about the quality of sound. The quality of sound is the characteristic which enables us to distinguish between musical notes emitted by different musical instruments or voices even though they have the same pitch and loudness. It is because different waveforms are produced by different musical instruments. Hence, the quality of a note depends on its waveform. Here, observe this figure, children. It shows the graphical representation of sound wave produced by a tuning fork, violin, and a piano, playing the same note. These frequencies are same, all having the frequency 440 Hz with equal loudness, but it appears different sounds. Observe, children. Children, I think you understand very well about the characteristics of a musical sound, pitch, loudness and quality. Thank you, children.